Welcome class third in English grammar. Today we will start next chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Sorry God. This chapter is about pronoun. What is pronoun? When we will read this chapter, you will easily understand what is pronoun. So we do not use name or we do not use noun again and again. If we say this is a boy, this name of the boy is Rahul. Rahul is eating food, Rahul is drinking water, Rahul is going there, Rahul is taking this. So again and again we are using the word Rahul, means we are using noun Rahul. So instead of noun, if we use any word, so that word is called pronoun. Okay, so with the help of this story you can understand easily what is pronoun and where we use pronoun. So this is a story of a boy whose name is Chintu. What is the name of the boy? The name of the boy is Chintu. And Chintu do not like, he hate numbers. He do not like numbers and the maths, subject maths. So one day he means what? One day he prayed. Who prayed? Chintu. So here instead of Chintu, what is written? He. So he is pronoun and he is stand for Chintu. Okay, so he prayed to the God to wipe out means to take all the numbers from his life means Chintu's life. So his is also stand for Chintu, and instead of Chintu what is written? His. So his is a pronoun. So one day what he told to the God, please take all the numbers from my life and I don't like the numbers and the mathematics. So God told, okay, God told, I will wipe out all the number from your life. So do you know what happened? This U is for you, means class third, this is for you. Do you know what happened? The calendar disappeared. So calendar. So what God did? God takes the calendar because in the calendar number were written. So Chintu do not like numbers. So what happened? God takes the calendar. The wall clock and the telephone also disappeared. Disappeared means gayab. Okay. So the wall clock also wall clock and telephone are also having numbers na. So God takes these also. So all the number from his life. His means again whose life? Chintu. You have to write the thing. Okay. So the numbers from his memory were also wiped out. Okay. Now one day what happened? His friend means Chintu's friend. His is a, what is his? Pronoun, because his is coming in place of noun, in place of Chintu. So his friend Sonu came and rang the bell. He had come to invite. What he was saying? He was giving invitation to Chintu for his birthday party. Whose? Now this his is for Sonu. Whose birthday party? Sonu. Sonu's birthday party. Chintu felt very happy. Now Chintu is very happy because when he will go to the birthday party and he will enjoy. He thought he means Chintu thought he would call his mother. Again here he means Chintu would call his mother, Chintu's mother, to bring some gift for his friend. His friend means Chintu's friend, for her way come back. On her way come back. Her means mother, Chintu's mother. So all the green color words are written. They all are pronoun because these are coming instead of in place of noun. So what he was thinking? He was thinking that he will tell his mother to bring some gift for his friend. But there was no phone. Why? Because the God disappeared the phone. Okay, he then wanted to see how much time was left for his mother. Now he want to see the time. What is the time? But there was no wall clock also because God disappeared the wall clock. Why? Because of Chintu's wish. Now Chintu started crying. There was a there were tears in Chintu's eyes. He decided to go his neighbor's home to make a call. Now he decided he will go to the neighbor's home and from there he will call. When he went to the neighbor's house, he thought कि he forgotten the her number. Her means Chintu's mother's number. And who forget? He means Chintu forget the number of his mother. Now he was having only one way, that he have to go back to home and he will wait for his mother. So here his means Chintu's mother. When he came out of his neighbor's home, when Chintu come to his neighbor's home, here also he means Chintu. His neighbor means Chintu's neighbor home. He had forgot his flat number. Now he forget what is my flat number, because flat number is also a number, na? And the number disappeared from the Chintu's life. Now he means Chintu again start crying and praying to the God, I am sorry. Now he start saying sorry, please help me. Me means Chintu. Please help Chintu. God granted his prayer. Again God is saying okay. Now Chintu was happy. At least he realized. Realize means he understand. He means Chintu understand how important numbers are. So numbers are very important in our life. Along with Chintu, I think you have also learned the lesson. So you should also know this, कि numbers are very important for our life. Without number our life is useless. Now come to page number 20. Here all the pronouns using in the story you have to write here. It means the green color words you have seen in the story, na? So that green color you will write here. If he is coming 10 or 12 times, only one time you will write he, him, his. So this you have to find out and write here. Next is Chintu had forgotten Chintu's flat number. Chintu's wall clock had also disappeared. So here you have to rewrite the paragraph using pronoun. Here Chintu again and again Chintu word is coming, so you will use pronoun here. So Chintu had forgotten his flat. What you will write here? Full paragraph you will write. His flat number. His wall clock had also disappeared. All the number in Chintu's his memory were wiped out. Chintu started crying. So this you will write here. Okay class, now open your English grammar copy. Write date. I think you have made 4-line copy, na? So you have to make a separate grammar copy, 4-line copy. This is your lesson 2. Lesson name is Sorry God. Sorry God. This is about pronoun. Okay. Now write the definition of the pronoun. Here write pronoun. What is the definition? Definition you will write na son. So what is the definition of pronoun? Pronoun are words used in place of nouns. Some examples are given: I, we, you, they, me, us, she, he, etc. So your work is read the chapter and find out all the pronoun from the chapters and do this work. Thank you.